Welcome back to another episode of Smith Fishing Outdoors. Today, we're back in the John boat. We're with Matt Ross, and we're doing a little river float today. And hopefully we can catch a muskie. We got 2 topwaters running. I don't know. I'm just excited. Let's start catching fish. The water looks good. We already had a smallie pop on like the first cast. We just got started, so stay tuned because I think I plan on catching a muskie. I don't know about Matt. Matt might be a good net
I just came to wash some baits. It's fine. There's one.
Small one.
Yep.
About a 30.
Yep.
It's regular. DI. Oh, there's one behind me.
Yeah, you do.
Come on. Eat it. Come on.
Joe had really.
It sank off there, huh?
Joe has a couple of really explosive strikes last time.
That's like a better one, huh?
38.
That's been low. It wasn't pushing that.
What are you finding out?
That we're actually moving fish. I
They
moved
do
about
it,
a 38 behind this chopper. And Matt had about a 33 3/4.
Pounder. Just kidding.
I don't know. Looked pretty beat up. But it seems like they're following top water. So hopefully we can get one of these to open their mouth.
Great way to spend the 4th of July.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's better than being in a big lake getting
Run over by
around.
jet skis.
Yeah. Whitewater rafting. See, I don't want to show Matt this bait because he's probably gonna.
What?
Dad's hooked up?
Please pull my rod fisher, will you?
Yep.
34.
Low 30s, yeah. There we go. First muskie.
First cast with the bucktail on.
Yeah?
Half a crank.
I just
Like us, will you?
Downstream from the creek, right?
Yep.
I got horseflies trying to bite me. Dad caught one. 31 and a half.
Not a monster, but
Get that shade of me.
Skunks out of the boat.
skunks out of a boat.
Yeah.
Ain't
I'm
that little
getting
showgirl?
orange and black.
Yep.
Sorry if the camera's moving. There's a horsefly trying to bite me. It's kind of. Look at that. Pretty musky. You want to put them in the water? We came up shallow so we can watch her swim away.
You got it in the water, you can play with them.
Matt's swimming.
Feels good.
Does it? Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to take off my sweatpants, put them on so we don't get mosquitoed. But Matt, you gonna do the signature tail slap?
Yeah, she's ready to go. You ready?
Oh, she hit the boat.
Over here. Nope, right here.
Hi, girl.
I'm
Oh,
just gonna
yeah.
hang out.
That's about the size of that one I had up this morning.
Yeah.
Why are we having to stop?
You got a big one?
I got about a 20-footer.
Is it an oak?
It is.
It's an oak, yeah. The
That's
oaks are
why
really
it-
good.
That's why it won't come out.
Watch it so we don't come flying and hit us in the head.
Can hit Matt in the face. That's all right. He said it's okay.
I'm gonna hook a fish here and make this real interesting.
I'm getting there.
Thanks for holding us all up.
I'm just scouting.
You never know for them tree muskies.
Ooh, that's gonna be a fun one.
Yeah.
It's a natural squirrel, like,
Might
coming
have
down
to
from a tree.
Grab that branch and break her off.
I'm not tall
It is a
enough.
dead branch. Yeah, wrap the line around the stick too. That usually helps.
Oh,
Nice. Now your leader's kinked again.
yeah, it already was.
Well,
Get to the point where it's like, we're not moving the boat. It's going.
Yeah, I almost got a hook in the finger here.
My bait?
No, I kind of fell down and I put my hand right on my baits
Can you
there.
able to focus this way, fish?
Yeah. That's
Something
back
there.
there.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for here.
That looks like a juicy hole back there.
I do like the wood though. You gotta have that wood character. Hold the fish in the rivers.
Wood and eddies.
It probably won't be the only time we run into that.
That's not. I think that is the only time we run into rapids like that, where it's a tight little.
A couple of them down are pretty rocky down below.
He's gonna be right. He's gonna be right next to this log. This tree right here. Oh yeah, that's juice. That's juice. Get ready. That was not juice.
Huh?
That was not juice. Well, folks, what we're doing right now is what, Matt?
Currently taking the boat through the rapids here because it's so shallow.
Yeah, even with a John boat, we're scraping the bottom. Oh, this is nice. Water feels nice, though. That's a positive.
Pretty nice looking spot. Look, current, lots of bubbles. Bubbles, muskies have something special, right?
That's right.
Where'd you learn that from?
Your brother.
Looks juicy. Yeah, juicy.
Like my pants.
Ow.
There's a couple of skeeters.
That was a fly.
Oh, that's one skeeter.
What do you think? Just a little shallow.
I think that was a pretty shallow spot, but we're about to landing, and we're gonna walk and not drop the oars in the water. We gotta walk the boat back to the landing. It's pretty skinny. Overall, pretty fun trip. We caught one muskellunge, had a couple smallie pops, and we moved 3, and we had one try to eat. The other 2 were pushing weight. It was overall pretty productive. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Smith's Fishing Outdoors, and if you could please hit that like, subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next adventure.